first look that I go with. I have a plain white long sleeve Viore top, Viore joggers. I always have joggers in my fall capsule. These are the ones that I went with this year. They are really good quality. They're expensive. I think that last year I had a pair from Athleta. These are the same price point, but I'm finding that they're washing better. The ones from Athleta ended up fading. These have really done a good job through many washes of maintaining their color. If it's cold outside, I will put a vest over the top, and I'm pairing it with a pair of white sneakers. These are Cole Haan sneakers that I ordered off of Amazon. I was able to get them for a better price point on Amazon than through a place like Nordstrom's. On days where I'm dressing super casual, I'm typically doing one of two things. I am staying home all day and working. I've mentioned before I work from home. So on days that I am not leaving the house, I no longer put in the extra hour of time to get fully ready. I just found that I was dreading it, and my family does not care if I put on a full face of makeup every day and I style my hair every day. So I put it up in a top knot, I put on sunscreen, let's get a little closer here. I do my brows, mascara, sunscreen, that's it, top knot. For jewelry, will wear studs. And these are just a pair of basic diamond studs. And then I might have to flip this around to show you the necklace, but let's see. There we go. It's kind of blurry. This is a gift that I got for being in a wedding probably, I don't know, 8 years ago. I think she's been married for 8 years. And it's just a really simple piece that I will wear on days when I'm not going anywhere. I always wear a silicone wedding ring because my skin's super sensitive and I can't handle wearing my actual wedding ring. Now, let me flip this around. If it is a warmer day outside, because fall in Oregon is very transitional. Some days it's in the 80s and some days it's in the 40s. So if it's a day where it's going to be warmer in the house and I don't want to wear a long sleeve and I don't want to wear a vest, I will just wear a basic t-shirt. These come from Aries. I have white, I have black, I have them in V-neck as well as in crew neck. Alternative pair of joggers. So I do have two of these pairs of pants. I have the black that I'm wearing today, and I have them in this heathered green color. If I'm not wearing white sneakers, I have these same exact shoes in black. I have the same long sleeve in black. And then I also have a vest in black. My vest that I'm wearing today is Patagonia. This is just a North Face one that I've had for years. So you can see I tried to keep in mind that there's going to be a wide variety of different temperatures throughout the season. So anything from t-shirt to long sleeve with vest. Hopefully this is all making sense, but this would be an alternative for the same outfit for another soccer game or work from home day. My second common look is a stark contrast to the first one. This is what I would wear if I was going on like a date night with my husband, if we're going out to dinner, if we're going to an event, if we're going to a party, something like that. So this is actually that black midi dress, pulled the collar out, layered this dusty pink tee over the top. I've just secured it with a little belt, tucked the shirt in, added this cream colored camel trench and a pair of nude peep toe heels. I painted my nails to match the shirt. It's not really focusing. Painted my nails to match the shirt. The jewelry that I'm wearing, I have a pair of gold hoops and then just a gold bar necklace.
Apple Watch with a band that matches the jacket or the shoes, silicone ring, and then I will flip this around. I'll show you what I did with my makeup and my hair. I'm wearing the Naked 2 Basics eyeshadow palette. I've said before, I only own one eyeshadow palette, and that's anytime I'm gonna wear makeup, I have to create a look with that. The lip combo is the Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and my hair, I just used a regular curling iron. I curled it twice away from my half face, and then I used my flat iron to just kind of straighten out the ends. This is what my husband's wearing. I'll show you a close-up of his outfit. I have a capsule wardrobe. He absolutely does not. He has probably more ties than I have items of clothing in my entire wardrobe. But I'll show you what he's wearing to go along with my outfit.
So I hung up an alternative look here for the same type of date night out, or if we're going to an event, party, whatever. This would be something that I would wear as an alternative to the dress and top that I'm wearing today. Green, shorter dress, so it's the exact same REI brand. These aren't still available, but it's really more about the concept of pairing these items together versus the specific item that I'm wearing. So this dress, I would put this white top over it, and I would, instead of tucking it and blousing it into a belt like I'm wearing today, I would just knot this in the front so that it looks, again, like a top and a skirt. And then I have the black trench. And let me grab the shoes here that I would wear if I was going to wear this outfit. Here's my shoes, which looks like they have quite a bit of dog hair on them, but they're just a basic peep toe pair of shoes that came from Target. I don't think these are still available, but it's such a basic style, and I think that it would pair nicely with the trench and the skirt with the collared shirt look. Here is the third outfit style that I would wear. This is for a day when I am primarily home cleaning the house, but I do have to leave. So I'm either doing like a grocery pickup, picking the kids up from school, something where I want to look slightly more presentable than like a full stay home day, but I also want to be really comfortable. So these are linen dresses from Old Navy. Well, this is a linen dress from Old Navy. It's short sleeve. Let me see if I can get it here. It's just a short sleeve dress, so I can take off this sweater if I get hot, or I can put it on if it's chillier outside. These shorter dresses are fine in the fall if I'm gonna be home. Sometimes we keep our house very warm. We keep it around 76 degrees in the fall and winter, so it's definitely toasty in here, and I tend to get hot if I'm cleaning the house. So it's nice to have something that's lightweight and will keep me cool, but can be, a cardigan can be added and it'll warm me up if I'm gonna be leaving the house. My shoes are the same leopard mules that I have had in, I think, every capsule wardrobe for fall for at least the last 3 years. So these are not still available. I got them at Target. They do have them in other prints, but not in the leopard anymore. My makeup is very, very basic. I have brows, foundation, pressed powder, lip liner, and mascara. That's all I'm wearing. I did blow dry my hair, but I didn't flat iron it or curl it or anything. I'm doing half up, half down with just this gold claw clip that came from Target. Jewelry is the same gold bar necklace, gold hoop earrings. That's it. This is the third kind of outfit that I will piece together, and I will show you an alternative here. Same exact linen dress, just in this cream color. And then if it was a little bit warmer outside and I didn't want to wear a full cardigan, I would layer it with one of these button-up shirts. I would either button it and knot it in the front or just wear it open. Sometimes I roll the sleeves, sometimes I don't roll the sleeves. But I like to just, again, if I'm leaving the house and I want to be a little bit warmer when I'm in the car, just have something to throw over the top of the dress. The shoes that I would wear
with this outfit would be these. Again, exact same universal thread slide-on mules from Target. I do think that this color is still available. And then when I'm leaving the house, almost all of my outfits I pair with this backpack. This came from Amazon. My favorite thing about it is that it zips in the back. So unlike most backpacks where somebody could unzip it because the zipper is exposed, this is right up against your back. So there's no way that anybody could get into this backpack, which is nice. This cognac color too, I think just pairs really nicely with all of my different fall wardrobe pieces.
Today's outfit is what I would wear on a day that I'm running errands. I did a little bit more makeup than normal, and I just want to still be comfortable, but I don't want to be in full-on jogger sweatpants and a vest going out. So I have the same trench coat that I wore earlier in the week. This is not still available. It came from Talbot's. I did find one on Macy's website that's pretty comparable, and it's actually better because it has a hood. I wish that this one had a hood. I will put that in the description box down below. This top is from Athleta. I just kind of tucked in the collar. It's a Henley, so it goes all the way up normally, but I like it a little bit better when it's tucked in, so I did that. Gold necklace, ring, watch, same hoop earrings. You can see my makeup is like, oh, you cannot see. You can see my makeup is a little bit more than on like a quick grocery pickup day, but not full on like going out on a date. So I did put some eyeshadow in my crease, foundation powder, contour, blush, lips, mascara. I think that that's it. I ran a curling iron through my hair, but didn't bother like straightening the ends or anything. Put some of the Living Proof Volume Blast in it to make it look like it's not second day hair. My pants are the Lululemon leggings. These are the 25-inch Aligns. You can see that they go all the way to the ankle for me. I am only 5 foot tall, so in order for me to find Lulu leggings that fit, I have to get the 25-inch. Same Cole Haan sneakers as earlier in the week, and here's the look. Here's what I would wear anytime I'm out running errands. I do have an alternative outfit hung up here, so I'll go ahead and show you what that would look like. And here's the alternative. I have another Athleta sweater. None of these Athleta sweaters are still available. I always try to buy them when they are severely discounted. I think that the one I'm wearing on this, I spent maybe $25 for. So they don't have these exact patterns anymore, but they always run really good clearance blowout sales at the end of a season with whatever that pattern was. So I just pick them up when they are highly discounted. This jacket really has seen better days. It needs to be replaced. It's from Forever 21. I have had it for over 10 years and it's held up really well. I have just not been able to find anything I like as well, which is why I'm still wearing this. Black skinny jeans. Yes, I do still wear skinny jeans, and I would pair it with mules. In the fall, I like to pair brown tones with black instead of wearing all black. I just think that it looks a little bit better. Oh, here would be an alternative errand running day outfit. You're actually gonna get a bonus outfit in this video because I was getting ready to leave and realized that it's way too hot outside to be wearing a sweater and a trench coat. So I swapped out the sweater for just a basic tee. These come from American Eagle. They're the boyfriend tees. I like them because they are very long and cover the rear end when you're wearing leggings. And then I just paired it with a cardigan. I always get cold when I'm inside of stores, so I definitely want the cardigan for when I'm inside, but then I can just wear the t-shirt if it gets too hot in the car or going into the building. But same leggings, same shoes.